In this video, we're going to show you how you can reactivate your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. If you're looking to reactivate your Facebook account, it means you either deactivated it or deleted it. If you deleted your account, you'll only be able to reactivate it within the time window Facebook gives you during the deletion process. Usually this time period is about 30-ish days. If you deactivated it, however, you can reactivate your Facebook account at any time. To get started, go ahead and open up Facebook and go to the Facebook login page. Simply go ahead and enter in your email or phone number and then your password and then tap log in. But that is it. Your account is now going to be reactivated. It's going to be exactly how you left it off. So if you have any questions about this process, let us know down in the comment section below and we'll be able to help you out even more. But before you leave this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tutorials. Have a good day.